Hello everyone, my name is Amit Kumar Singh, and in this session I'll discuss SSC CGL Quantitative Aptitude section for the date 3rd March 2020. So on 3rd March 2020, the exam which happened for SSC CGL Tier 1, I'm going to discuss Quantitative Aptitude section with all of you. I believe you can see on your screen, and when we talk about quantitative aptitude section, you'll have 25 questions, and one by one I'll discuss these questions with all of you. And I believe by this time you all are prepared with your exam. And the reason of doing this session is to quickly do recap of what all you have done. So more or less, when we talk about exam, we can definitely expect that the questions which came in the past years, there is a chance that those kind of questions can repeat, or if they will not repeat, even then possibly that similar kind of questions get repeat in the exam. So that is the agenda of having this session. And in this session, I'm going to discuss quantitative aptitude section of 3rd March 2020 Tier 1 exam. Okay, so one by one we'll do that. So now you can see question number 1. So if you see question number 1 on your screen, so this question number 1 is of a chapter called circle. So the like it is given 3 points. 3 points are there on the circle, and the angle what they subtend because when you talk about the points of the circle, if you join those points in a circle, and so ultimately they'll make a chord within the circle, and that the angle what they subtend at the center, that is given to you. So the angle what they form at the center is given to you. Suppose this is center O, so there's a line called, suppose this is A, and suppose this is B. So the angle what A, this chord AB makes is 110 degree. Okay, this makes 110 degree. Similarly, there's a chord AC. So maybe suppose this is chord AC, and that chord AC, although it look like acute angle, but you just think this is obtuse angle. It make an angle called 130 degree. Now, what they're asking you the value of angle, what angle BAC. So they're asking you this angle. So now, so they're asking you this angle. Suppose this is X, this is Y. So they're asking you this angle BAC, that is a sum of X plus Y. So if you understand OA, OB, OC, all are the radius of the circle, and all are equal, and they are equal to the radius of the circle. So if they are equal, then you can understand this become a isosceles triangle. So this is 110 degree. So this would be X. This is X. So then you know that total angle in a triangle is 180 degree. So it is somewhat like this. If you understand, this is a circle, and this is center O. So this is A, this is A, this is B. So this make an angle called 110 degree. So this is O. So you know that OA is equal to OB because they are the radius. So this angle and this angle will be equal. Now you know that total angle in the triangle is 180 degree. So with this, you can say the value of X is 35 degree. So this value of X is 35 degree. So 70 divided by 2. Then there's other side called C, and this makes angle called 130 degree. So if you join this chord, this is Y, so this is Y. So you know that again similarly in triangle OAC, that is again isosceles triangle. Again OA will be equal to OC. So similarly, the value of 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 angle Y would be 180 minus 130 means 50, means that would be angle Y would be equal to 25 degree. So the value of angle BAC will be equal to 60 degree. That would be the value of angle BAC. So the value of angle BAC, that will be equal to 60 degree. And now you can see the next question. So the question number 2, the radius of a circular garden. The radius of a circular garden is 42 meter. So what is the distance covered by running 8 rounds around it? So you know one distance means 2 pi r. One distance means 2 pi r. 8 round they are asking. So it is 16 pi r. 16 into pi is 22 by 7 and r is 42. So you need to find this value. So 16 6 is 96. So 16 6 is 96 into 22. So this is 96 2s are 12 192. This is 12 192 192. So this value of this would be 211 9. This is 22112. The value of this angle would be, sorry, it's not the angle. So they're asking 8 rounds, what would be the total? So that would be 2112. Simple calculation. Fine. Now next question. Question number third. You can see question number third. Let me erase this now. Now if you see question number third, a person sells an article at 10% below its cost price. So let the cost price. So let the cost price is A. So the selling price is 0.9A. So a person sells his article 10% below the cost price. So then the selling price will be 0.9A. Had it is sold for 330 rupees more, 332 rupees more. So if the selling price is 0.9A plus 332. So if he sell for 332 rupees more, then he would have made a profit of 20%. So you know that profit is always calculated on cost price. So if he sell for 332 rupees more, then he will make a profit of 20%. So in that case, the selling price would be 1.2A. So you know that profit is calculated on cost price. So then the selling price would be 1.2A. So 1.2A will be equal to 0.9A plus 332. So then 0.3A is equal to 332. Okay, so what they're asking you, what is the original selling price of the article? What is the original selling price of article? 0.9A. So 0.3A is 332. So 0.9A will be equal to 3 times of this. This would be 332 3s. That this would be 996. Option D. All questions are very easy. So if you read it, you will get the answer. Now you see question number 4. A shopkeeper marks the price of article in such a way that after giving a discount of 28%, he want to gain 12%. If the mark price is 224, what is the cost price of article? So now let me erase this. So here, if you see this problem, so what is given in this problem, that the shopkeeper, so the shopkeeper marks the price of good. So the mark price is equal to is 224, and on that he is giving 28% discount. That he is giving 28% discount. So 28% discount if he's giving, so means he is selling for what rupees? So 100 minus 28 means 72. So the selling price is basically 72% of the 224. That is your selling price. Okay, so he want to gain. When he's giving a discount of 28%, he want to make a gain of 12%. So 12% gain on what? So gain, whenever you talk about profit percentage, it is always calculated on cost price. So he want to get a gain of 12%. So the selling price will be 1.12A if A is the cost price. So I believe everyone knows the formula, that mark price minus discount is selling price, and similarly selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. Similarly, your selling price is cost plus profit. So here you want to get a gain of 12%. So if your cost price is A, then your selling price will be 1.12A. So this 1.12A, that is equal to 72 times of 224. Okay, so you know that this is 2 so divide by 100. So 100 get cancelled. The value of A is 72 into 144. So what is the cost price of article? The answer is 144. And all are easy questions. Now you can see this question number 5. So in triangle ABC, MN is parallel to BC. So if MN is parallel to BC, so you know that triangle AMN that will be similar to the triangle ABC. Okay. Then the area of the quadrilateral MNCP, this quadrilateral MNCP, this area is given to you. This area is 130 centimeters square. Okay. Suppose the area of this triangle is X. Suppose the area of this triangle is X centimeters square. Okay, and then it is given the ratio. The ratio of AN is to NC. Okay, so this ratio is given to this is suppose 4A, so this is 5A. So this means this is 9A. Okay, so if you get the side ratio, if the two triangles are similar, and if these two triangles are similar, and if the ratio of the side, so the ratio of the side, uh, the ratio of the side, uh, the ratio of the side is given to you. This is ratio of the side is 4:9. So the ratio of the area, so the area of the triangle AMN, and that area, if you compare that area with the triangle area, so the ratio of the area would be 4 square by 9 square. You can remember it is a property of similar triangle. So I can say this. Now the area of triangle AMN divided by area of triangle ABC would be 16 by 91. Okay, let the area of triangle AMN is X. So let the area of triangle AMN is X. So then I can say X by X plus, and this area of quadrilateral given 130, that is given to you 16 by 81. So 81x is equal to 16x plus 16 into 13. So 16 into 130. 16 into 130. So I can say this is 65x equal to 16 into 130. So I can say this is 2. So x value is 32. So the value of area of the triangle MAN would be 32. Option D. Okay, now see the question number 6. The ratio of the number of boys to girls in a school of 640 is 5:3. So the boy will be 5 by 8 means 5 by 8 means 80. 580 means 400. And then the value of girl would be 3 by 8, 80. 8 3s are 240. The sum is 640. Okay, if 30 more girls are admitted in the school, so if you admit 30 more girls, now the number of girls become 270. Then how many boys should be admitted? So how many boys you should admit? Suppose you admit X more boy, so that the ratio of boy to girl becomes 14:9. So the ratio of boy to girl has become 14:9. So this is 3600 plus 9x is equal to 14 into 270. So 9x is equal to 14 into 27. 14 into 27. 14 sevens are 98. 98. 14 twos are 28. So this is 8378. 3780 minus 3600. 9x is equal to 180. So x is equal to 20. X is equal to 20. So the value of x is 20. Now you can see the next question. Next question is like this. Out of 6 numbers, the sum of the first 5 numbers, this is 5. Sum of first 5 number is 7 times the 6th number. So out of the 6 number, the sum of, suppose the 6 number are A, B, C, D, E and F. So out of the 6 number, the sum of first 5 numbers means A plus B plus C plus D plus E. So the sum of first 5 number is 7 times the 6 number. Is 7 times the 6 number. This is given to you. Okay. Now the average, if the average is 136, so their average means A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F divided by 6. The average is 136. Now in place of A plus B plus C plus D plus E, I can write 7F. So I can write 7F plus F is equal to 136 into 6. So 8F is equal to 136 into 6. So the value of F is equal to 117 into 6. This is the value of F. This is the value of F, that is equal to 102. Simple question. You don't have to do much. So they're asking you the 6 number, that is 102. Okay. Now question number 6. Question number 8. Problem on train. Again, problem train is one of the concept which is very common. I believe in time, speed, and distance, you need to use the formula called distance is equal to speed into time. Normally, in here, while solving the problem on train, normally we take the speed of train in meter per second. Even then, you should know the conversion kilometer per hour. If you want to convert in meter per second, you multiply it with 5 by 18. Fine. So you can keep that in mind. So train crosses a pole in 12 seconds. So the distance is equal to speed into time. So suppose the speed of train is x meter per second. So the length of the train will be 12x. Distance is equal to speed into time. So here the distance is the length of the train. A train crosses a pole in 12 seconds and the bridge of length 170 meter and the bridge of length. So when the train is crossing the bridge, then the train has to cover its own length plus the length of the bridge. So so when the train is crossing the bridge, so the train has to cover its own length. So the train has to cover its own length. So that is the length of train plus the length of bridge. That is the total distance what the train has to cover. Okay, and then this is equal to speed of the train. Not the speed of the train is x. The speed of the train is x. So the speed of the train here is x. So the speed of train is here is x. So the speed of train is x, and the time what it took is 36 seconds. So here the length of train is 12x plus the length of bridge, that is equal to 36x. So L is equal to 24x. So the length of bridges is 24x. Okay. Achha, the length of bridge is given to you in bridge of length 170. Okay, great. This is 17. This is 170. 170 is equal to 24x. The value of x is 170 by 24 meter per second. The option is given in kilometer per hour. So to convert the meter per second into kilometer per hour, I'll multiply it with 18 by 5. So if I do this, this is 3, this is 4, this is 4, this is 2, this is 85. This is 85, this is 17. So this is 17, 3s are 51 by 2. So we'll get 25.5 kilometer per hour. The answer is 25.5 kilometer per hour. That is the option. That is the speed of the train. So the speed of train what you get is 25.5 kilometer per hour. Fine. Okay, now see the next question, everyone. Everyone see this. Now see this, I think there would be a problem. You could not able to understand this problem. So I'll write down this problem for you to make you understand this what this problem is all about. So there would be a problem in visibility. So this problem is like this. So this is if x by if x to the power 2a is equal to y to the power 2b is equal to z to the power 2c that is not equal to 0. Okay, and this is, and x square is equal to y into z, and x square is equal to y into z, and x square is equal to y into z. Okay, so then you have to find this value. I think this will be visible for you. So this is the question. So if x to the power 2a is equal to y to the power 2b equal to z to the power 2c, there that is not equal to 0. So if x to the power 2a is equal to y to the power 2b is equal to z to the power 2c is equal to suppose a. So x is equal to, it means x is equal to k to the power 1 by 2a, y is equal to k to the power 1 by 2b, and z is equal to k to the power 1 by 2c. This is the value of x, y, z. Okay, and then you have to find this value AB plus BC plus CA by BC. So AB plus BC plus CA, AB plus BC plus CA divided by BC. You have to find this value. Fine. So this is the value what you need to find, and that it is given that x square is equal to y into z. So x square means k to the power 1 by 2a whole square is equal to y. Y is 1 by 2b, 1 by 2b into k to the power 1 by 2c. So this is k to the power 2 by 2a is equal to k to the power 1 by 2b plus 1 by 2c. So is equal to k to the power 1 by a is equal to k to the power 2bc. You take as LCM. So you'll get b plus c. So means 1 by a is equal to b plus c by 2bc. So means ab plus bc, ab plus ac, ab plus ac is equal to 2bc, is equal to 2bc. So means you can say AB plus AC by BC is equal to 2. Okay, so this is what you will get. But here they're asking you this. They're asking you this. They're asking you AB plus BC plus CA by BC. So they're asking. So if you add one here, if you add one here, so you'll get BC plus AB plus AC by BC is equal to 3. This is what they're asking you. So the answer for this is option D, that is C. Option D, that is 3. Now you can see this question. Very easy question. The is like if the number 1005 x4 is completely divisible by 8. This is 8. Okay, then the smallest integer in place of x. So you should know the divisibility rule of 8. The divisibility rule of 8 states that the last 3-digit numbers should be divisible by 8. So 5x4 should be divisible by 8. So if you think, then 8 6 are 48. then you get x and 4. So what should be the value of x? You need to understand here. Not x here, x will not come. What will come? Here x minus 8 will come. Here what will come? Here the digit. Here if you think what will come, it will come whatever the value, this whatever the value you get as x minus 8 and 4. So now you know that in 8 table, 8 threes is also 24 and 8 eights is 64. So there are two ways are there. So here, so in that way you can think of the digit. So the value of x can be anything. So if x is suppose, if suppose, if suppose x, you need 6, right? X minus 6, so 14, 4. If this would be 4, then also you get 6. So imagine if x is 4. So if x is 4, then 54 minus 48, you get 6. And then 64 will be divisible by 8. That is also possibility. In if x is and if suppose x is 0, then 50 minus 48, you will get 24, and then also divisible. Okay, so imagine if your x is 0, imagine if your x is 0, then 50 minus 48, this would be equal to 24, this would be equal to 2. So 0 minus 8, this would be 2, and then 24 would be divisible. So they're asking you the smallest integer in place of x. So the smallest integer should be 0. Because yes, in when you see the table of 8, 8 threes is 24, 8 eights is 64. But you what you want the smallest, means x minus 8 should be smallest. So in place of x minus 8, you should get 2. So what should be the value of x? The value of x should be 0. Right. Now question number 11. It is simple percentage problem. You should do it very easily. If the length of rectangle is increased by 40% and breadth is decreased by 20%, then the area of rectangle is increased by x%. Find the value of x. So then it is very easy. So if area is equal to length into breadth, and if length changed by L% and breadth changed by B%, then the area will change by L% plus B% plus LB by 100%. So here your length increase by 40% and your breadth decrease by 20%. Plus into minus is minus, minus 800 by 100%. This is 20 minus 8 equal to 11th answer is option D. Now you can see question number 12. Question number 12 will not be visible for you, so I'll write that for you. So here in question number 12, if you see question number 12, if plus means minus, if plus means minus, if plus means minus, and into means divide, and into means divide, and into means divide, and sorry, plus means minus, minus means plus, minus means plus, plus means minus, minus means plus, into means divide, and divide means into, and divide means into, and divide means into. And then you have to find this value. Then you have to find this value. So I'm writing down. You just see that. So then you have to find this value. The value what you need to find is 42 minus 12 divide by 3. 42 minus 42, 1 minute. This is one. This is 42 42 minus 12 into 3 uh, plus 8 uh, divide by 2 plus 8 divide by 2 plus 15 plus 15 divide by 8 8 into 2 minus 4 plus 9 divide by 3. This is the question. Now here you know that plus means minus, minus means plus, into means divide, divide means into. So this is 42 plus 12 divide by 3 minus 8 into 2 minus 15 divide by 8 divide by 2 plus 4 minus 9 into 3. So now this is what we need to solve. Now this is 42 plus this is 4 minus this is 16 minus 15, then 8 minus 8 divided by 2 is 4, 4 plus 4 minus 27, 9 3s are 27. So 42 plus 4 is 42 plus 4 is 46, 46 minus 16 is 30, 30 minus 15, 30 minus 15 is 15, divide by 4 plus 4 is 8, 27 minus 8 is minus, that is 19. That the answer is minus 15 by 19. The answer is option D. Okay. Now you can see question number 13. So ABC individually can complete a piece of work in 24 days, A in 24 days, B in 15 days, and C in 12 days, respectively. So A, B, and C started the work and they worked for 3 days and left. So the number of days required by A alone to complete the remaining work. So let the total work. So for the total work, you need the LCM. So for that, you will find the LCM. The LCM of 24, 15, and 12. So this would be 3. So this is 8, 5, and 4. Then this will go by 4. So this will go by 4. So 4. So this would be 2, 5, and 1. Then 2 and 5. So 12 into 10, 120. Let the work is 120 unit. So A in 1 day would do 5 unit of work, B in 1 day do 8 unit of work, and C in 1 day do 10 unit of work. So the total, if they'll work together, they will do together in 1 day 23 unit of work. Okay. So B and C started the work and work for 3 days. So in 1 day, B and C do 18 unit of work, as you can see. B and C in 1 day, B and C 1 day they do 18 unit of work. Okay. And they work for 3 days. So in 3 days, B and C in 3 days they will do 54 unit of work. So and then B and C started the work and worked for 3 days and they left. Okay, and the number of days required by A alone to complete the remaining work. So they did 54 unit of work and they left. Now the A alone is going to do the work. A in 1 day do X unit of work. So A in 1 day do 5 unit of work. and suppose the remaining work A can do in X days, so then the total work will get over after X days, and the total work is 120 units. So you just need to solve it. So you just need to solve this. So this is 5x is equal to this is 6 and this is 11, this is 66. So the value of x is 66 by 5 means 13 1 by 5. The number of days what the A will take to do the remaining work is 13 1 by 5. So 13 1 by 5. The answer is option D, 13 1 by 5. Okay. Now you see question number 14. 4300 become 4644 in 2 years at simple interest. So your principal is 4300 and it become means your amount is 4644. So your interest you'll get is 344. So your interest is 344. Find the principal that will become 10,000 in 5 years, same rate of interest. This become in 2 years, so you become 344 in 2 years, simple interest. So you can apply the formula P into R into T by 100. So this is 344 into 4300 into 2 into R by 100. 100 get cancelled. So this is 172 is equal to 43 R. So the value of R is, I think is 4. So the value of R is 4%. So they're asking you find the principal that will become 10,100 in 5 years. So they're giving you the amount. Amount is 10,100. So they're asking you the principal. They're asking you the principal that will become 10,104 in 5 years at rate of interest. So when you talk about simple interest, in simple interest, the formula of amount is principal into 1 plus RT by 100. So it should become 10,000. How much? This is 10,104. 10,104. Principal they're asking you. Our rate is 4 and time is 5 years. Divide by 100. So this is 10,104 is equal to P, and this is 20 by 100, 1.2 or 6 by 5. So this should go by 6 definitely. This is 1za 41. 41 means 6za 50. 50 means 8za 1684. So your principal is 1684 into 5. So your principal is 8420. This become your principal. So the answer is option D. Okay, now see the question number 15. Now if you see question number 15, this is given x square plus y square. They ask x is given 4 cos a plus 5 sin a. This is x and this is y. Y is 4 sin a plus minus 5 cos a. So then you have to find the value of x square plus y square. X square plus y square. So squaring, if you do, you get 16 cos square A plus 25 sine square A. So this is A square plus B square plus 2AB. So this is 40 sine A cos A, 40 sine A cos A plus 16 sine square A plus 25 cos square A. Then so A square plus B square minus 40 sine A cos A. So 40 sine A cos A will get cancelled. So that get cancelled. So I can say x square plus y square. So you know that cos square A plus sine square A, that will be equal to 1. So this is equal to 16 plus sine square A plus cos square A is 1. So this value. So x square plus y square, that is equal to 41. This is the answer. The answer for this is 41. Now you can see the next question. If A lies in the first quadrant means the angle is from 0 to 90 degree, and 610A is 5. It is given 610A is 5. So I can say this is sine A by cos A is equal to 5 by 6. I can say sine A is equal to 5 by 6 of cos A. Okay. And so let sine A is x, cos A is y. So I can say x is equal to 5 by 6 y. So what you need to find? You need to find 8 sine A minus 4 cos A divided by cos A plus 2 sine A. This you have to find. So you have to find 8 sine A. So 8 sine A plus 8 sine A plus 8 sine A minus, so 8 sine A minus 4 cos A, 8 sine A minus 4 cos A divided by this, divide by cos A plus 2 sine A. This you need to solve. And you know that x is equal to 5 by 6 y. This side A is equal to 5 by 6 y cos A. Question number 17, very easy. As you can see, it is given x minus y is equal to 4 and xy is equal to 45. And they ask you find the value of x cube minus y cube. So you should know x cube minus y cube is nothing but x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. So x minus y is already given, xy is already given, but you don't know the value of x square plus y square. So that I can find. So x minus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square minus 2xy. So with that I can find the value of x square plus y square. So that you can solve it. The value of xy is already given. So that is nothing but with this you can get x square plus y square is equal to 106. If you substitute that value in this equation, so you'll get x cube minus y cube that is equal to 420 carry, that would be 604. So x cube minus y cube you will get as 604. Simple. Now question number 18, cylinder formula, you know, that is pi r square h. So volume of cylinder, so that is nothing but that is equal to pi r square h. Okay, they given you the base radius of two cylinder is 3:4. So I can write R1 by R2 is equal to 3 by 4, and the ratio of the height is 4:9. So H1 by H2 is equal to 4 by 9. So they're asking you the ratio of the volume. So volume of one divided by the volume of other. So pi R1 square into H1 divided by pi R2 square into H2. So R1 by R2 is 3 by 4. So R1 square by R2 square, that will be equal to 9 by 16, and H1 by H2, that is 4 by 9. So if you solve, this is 1 by 4. Simple. Option B. Now you can see question number 19. So the area of the triangle ABC is 44. So area of triangle ABC is 44. Okay, and if D is the midpoint of BC and E is the midpoint of AB, so this is D by E. It is like this. So they're asking you the area of triangle BDE. So you can easily understand if this is A, so this would be equal to 2A. So do you understand the triangle if midpoint theorem? So if D and E are the midpoints, then definitely the side DE, definitely the side DE will be the parallel to AC. Okay, and then I can say the area of the, then I can say triangle BDE will be similar to the triangle ABC. Okay, and the ratio of the side, the ratio of the side is 1:2. So the ratio of area will be 1:4. So it is the property of similar triangle. So you can say the area of the triangle BDE divided by the area of the triangle ABC, that ratio will be 1:4, because if the ratio of the side is 1:2, so the ratio of the area will be 1:4. So area of triangle ABC is 44. So the area of triangle BDE will be 1 by 4 of 44. That would be equal to 11 centimeters square. That would be option A. This is the property of congruency and similarity that you will study in the concept of triangle. If you watch my video, already you can see that video in the playlist on the concept of triangle. There you'll understand all these properties of triangle. Then you can see question number 20. So if sum of this a plus b is given 45 degree, and you have to find this value. So 2 into 1 plus 10a into 1 plus 10b. So you know that a plus b is 45 degree. So I can say 10a plus b is equal to 10 45 degree. So 10a plus b would be 10a plus 10b divided by 1 minus 10a into 10b, that will be equal to 1. So so 10a plus 10b will be equal to 1 minus 10a into 10b. So I can say 10a plus 10b plus 10a into 10b equal to 1. Okay, so you know this. Now what I need to find, I need to find this value. I need to find this value. This I need to find 2 into 1 plus 10a into 1 plus 10b. This I need to find. So I need to find this 2 into 1 plus 10a into 1 plus 10b. So, so this is 1 plus 10b plus 10a plus 10a into 10b. So 10a plus 10b, this you know is equal to 1. So this is nothing but 2 into 1 plus 1. This value is equal to 4. So to understand this, so here you could have done this problem provided you should know what is 10a plus b. So 10a plus b is 10a plus 10b divided by 1 minus 10 into 10b. Then what is sine a plus sine b? Sine a plus b is sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Sine a minus b is sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. Cos a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin A sin B. 10a minus b is 10a minus 10b divided by 1 plus 10a 10b. All that you can understand. More than I think 5 videos I have made on trigonometry, the formulas, the ratios, all that. You can watch the video on trigonometry and you can easily you can solve this question very easily. So please go and watch my video if you have any doubt on that. Okay, now you can see this question. Question number 21. If x, y, z are three integers such that x plus y is 8, y plus z is 13, and x plus z is 17. So I can do what I can do. I can do x plus y plus z. If I do the sum of all this plus this, I'll get 2x plus 2y plus 2z is equal to 17 plus 13, 38 divided by 2 means 19. So I'll get x plus y plus z equal to 19. And then I know that x plus y is 8. So with this, I'll find the value of z. Z would be equal to 19 minus 8 means 11. Similarly, I can find the value of x. X would be x plus y plus z is 19 and y plus z is 13. So this is 19 minus 13. This would be 6. Similarly, I can find the value of y. So x plus z is 17. So the value of y would be 2. What they're asking? They're asking you x square by yz. X square. X square means 4. 4 divided by y into z means 66. That would be 2 by 33. So x square by y into z. Y into x, sorry. So x square, what is x? X is 6. 6 square is 36. And y into z. Y into z is 22. So 36 by 22 means 18 by 11. So now you can see from question number 22 to 25, that is the problem of DI. So the given table shows the number in thousands of the car of different models A, B, C, D, E produced during the year 2012 to 17. You have to study the table and follow. Okay, you can see this. So this is the table you need to follow. And if you have any doubt, you can see this. So this is 120. So this is 120. This is 130, 170, 100, 180, 150. Now, what is given in if 2000 and if 2013 and 14 are put together. So if you add 2013 and 14 put together, so their sum is 300. Okay. So which type of car constitute exactly 25%? What is 25% of this? 25% of this is 75. So, so which type of car constitute exactly 25% of the total number of car produced in during these 2 years? So 75, 13 and 14. 13 and 14, you see, is this 75? No. Is this 75? No. Is this 75? No. This is 75. 40 plus 35. This is 75. The answer is option D. Okay. Question number 23. In the year 2015, which type of car uh, constitute exactly 20% of total number of car produced in that year? 2015. 2015 is the sum is 100. 20% of that is 20, which is equal to 20. E. You can see the E. Very easy. Answer is E. Now you can see question number 24, the percentage increase in the total car in 2016 over 2012. 2016 over 2012. 2016 is 180, 2012 is 120. So 180 is how much more than 120? This is 50%. This is equal to 50%. You can see this value, the value is 50%. Then next question, the percentage decrease in the production of which type of car in 17 with reference to 16 was maximum. So the difference 17 with respect to 16. 17 with respect to 16 is maximum. You can see the difference. So this is 20, A is 24 degrees on 36. So 24 by 36 means 66.67. A is 66.67. A is 66.67. So 36 become 12. So 24 decrease on 36. Then B is increase. They are asking you decrease, so ignore it. Then C is decrease 4 on 44. 4 by 44. 4 by 44 means 1 by 11 means 9.09%. Then D is 22 means 16 degrees. 16. This is 16 on 38. Means 16 is 8 by 19. 8 by 19 means 800 by 19. Means 4 are 76, 40. 40 means 2 are 42% decrease. Then E is how much? 22 degrees, na? 22 degrees. E is 22 degrees. 22 on 50. 22 on 44%. Which one decrease the maximum? A. So the decrease maximum is A. Very simple. As you can see, the problems around 25 problem comes in quantitative aptitude section. So all the 25 questions I did for you, you can see the level of questions are not at all difficult. In SSC CGL exam, you can understand the level of questions what comes in quantitative aptitude section is not at all difficult. As you can see, all these questions you can easily solve in 1 minute, one question, or maximum you will take 1.5 minutes or 2 minutes to solve the question. You can do them very easily. I hope you enjoyed this session. So the agenda of doing this session is to develop confidence. I know your preparation is going very well, and during course of your preparation, if you see the previous year question papers of particular exam, and if you're able to solve them, that gives you a lot of confidence. So that was the reason why I came up with this session, in order to boost confidence on you. In case if you have doubt in any kind of concept, whatever I've gone through, so you can watch my video on playlist. So you can see these questions and all. Like question number 1 was a question based on circle. Question number 2, again, it's a question based on circle. Question number 3, profit and loss. Question number 4, profit and loss. So you can see, so around 2 questions we saw on circle, 2 question on profit and loss. Question number 5, again, triangle concept. So you can see geometry plays very significant role. Out of 25, I can see around 6 to 7 questions on geometry and trigonometry and all together. 2 3 questions are based on algebra. 2 questions based on profit and loss. 3 4 questions on DI, and that DI question based on percentages. Find 1 question of time, speed, and distance. 1 questions of time and work. 1 question of ratios. Okay, so this is what I can see from the question paper. So you numbers, two, around 2 questions on number algebra, 2 to 3 questions on algebra, 1 or 2 questions on simplification. Overall, the paper was easy. Is very easy to easy level, and definitely out of 25 questions, I can expect the cutoff should go more than 20 questions. So you should be in the position that you can definitely do more than 20 questions minimum in the exam whenever you will come across the exam. And if you do more less than 20 means, then it become a problem. So I hope you enjoyed this session. You have a full right to go and watch the recording of previous topics, which you can find in my playlist. Please go through them if you have doubt in any concept. Okay, if you like the class, please click on the like button and do subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. Thank you everyone. God bless you. Bye.